Welcome to Tech Hub Academy. Today we are going to learn how to install Windows 11 and 10 safely on your laptop or desktop computer. Let's dive in. How to install Windows 11. Step 1. Download the installation setup for Windows 11 from Microsoft. Go to your browser, e.g. Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and in the search bar type in Microsoft Software. Next, click this site from Microsoft that says Software Download. I prefer to get such installation setups from Microsoft because it's much safer. Here we see Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7 as our options. Select Windows 11 since it's the one we want to download. Then click the Download Now button under Windows 11 Installation Assistant, then wait for the download to complete. Step 2. Open the download setup. Click the downloads icon to show the downloads, then click the folder icon. This will take you to the setup, then double-click the setup to open it. Click Yes to allow changes to this device. For some computers, it will ask you to use the PC Health Check app to see if your device meets the system requirements to run Windows 11. So you will have to click the text link that says Get PC Health Check app, which will take you to Chrome and download the setup automatically. After downloading the app, click the button that says Check Now. If your computer can run Windows 11 and meets the requirements, you will see a message that says, "This PC meets Windows 11 requirements." So now you can close the app and go back to the setup we opened and click Refresh. Step 3. Install Windows 11. If your computer meets the requirements, click the button that says Accept and Install. The rest of the steps will be easy, you just need to follow the guidelines given. How to install Windows 10. Installing Windows 10 is basically the same thing we did when installing Windows 11. Step 1. Download the installation setup for Windows 10 from Microsoft. Go to your browser, e.g. Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and in the search bar type in Microsoft Software. Next, click this site from Microsoft that says Software Download. Select Windows 10 since it's the one we want to download. Click the Update Now button under Windows 10 2022 Update, version 22 H2. If you want to update to a better version of Windows 10, but your laptop must be running Windows 10 for this to work. So I will scroll and select the Download Now button below, then wait for the download to complete. Step 2. Open the download setup. Click the Downloads icon to show downloads, then click the folder icon. This will take you to the setup, then double-click the setup to open it. Click Yes to allow changes to this device. Click Accept. I am going to choose Upgrade this PC now, not Create installation media, if you do not want to use a flash or any other external device. For now, I will stop here. The rest of the steps will be easy. You just need to follow the guidelines given. If you meet any challenge while installing, feel free to comment. Thank you for learning with Tech Hub Academy. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next lessons. Follow us on YouTube and TikTok for more tips and lessons. Follow us on Telegram and WhatsApp for the latest news and updates. Your support will encourage us to create more productive and engaging lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time.